Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today our focus will be on four words: door, draw, don't, between. So let's start with the first word, door. D-O-O-R, door. D-O-O-R, door. Next, door, front door, back door, open the door, close the door. Leave the door open, I'm coming. The door is open, please come in. Please hold the door for me. I have got a lot of stuff from the store. Please shut the door or please close the door. When we went to the movie, we showed our tickets at the door. The dog next door kept barking all night. I couldn't sleep. The boy who lives next door often comes late. The second word is draw. D-R-A-W, draw. Present tense is draw and past tense is drew. Draw out, draw on, draw up, draw close, draw a horse, draw a picture, draw attention. Hamsa draws really well. What are you going to draw in the art class? I am going to draw a beautiful scenery along with a cart drawn by a horse. Today I have to go with my friend for blood donation. Blood donation? Yeah. There, the doctor will draw your blood or the nurse will do it. Is it painful? No, not at all. Your teacher told me that you are not good in algebra. What can I do? The teacher can draw her own conclusions. The cricket match ended in a draw. The third word is don't. Don't worry. Don't talk. Don't touch the flowers. Don't talk. Be silent and do your classwork, told the teacher. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't go out at this hour. It's very hot. Don't be angry or don't get angry. You will increase your stress and spoil your health when you are angry. Tell me the truth. Don't lie to me. This is a prohibited area. Please don't take pictures here. Talk slowly. You don't have to talk so loud. I can hear. The fourth word is between. Between us, between them, in between, sat between. Rose, decide between these two schools. Which one do you want to go? Okay, let me see. Here, I solved the puzzle. Rita, just between you and me, how did you do that? How did you get the answer? Raj stood between his mother and father to pose for the picture. Have some biscuits? No, thank you. I don't eat between meals. Eating between meals is a bad habit. Yeah, you're right. Ria and Sia look so similar. I can't tell the difference between them. How can you? They are twins and they are identical twins. Raj, you should plan to leave between 6 and 7 pm to the airport. Otherwise, you might be late. So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next lesson. Till then, keep on listening, keep on reading, and keep on practicing. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.